Hey guys, what's up? So today's a Saturday and I'll be heading to a lunch date. I'll be going to Gypsy house. Don't ask me which part it there. When we're done, so what I say, I just go on Instagram and look where it is. I totally forgot where it is and I don't even have any internet on my phone. By the way guys, I only use Wi-Fi. I'm a Wi-Fi type of person. So yeah, I don't really keep service on my phone. So if I doubt I'm going to pick up Wi-Fi because I'm outside my house right now. So I basically have to just come out, go back in, turn on the Wi-Fi, get the address of the place, and then head there. I've never been to this restaurant before, and I haven't been to a restaurant in a while, guys. Since this whole pandemic thing. Yeah, I've been going out every now and then to bars. But not really a restaurant vibe to sit down and eat and all of that. So I'm so excited. So I'm just gonna take you guys there. I'm just gonna show you guys how it look, what I'm eating, and yeah, so come on and subscribe guys. If you haven't, please go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you guys there. So y'all, this is what Jamaica looks on a Saturday. All right, it's ridiculous. The traffic is crazy because we're still under curfew and all of them someday. So, and our curfew today is 6 p.m. Our curfew today is 6 o'clock. So yeah, I mean, everybody got up on the road. Everybody's going to be up and down to have all of their last errands done, because tomorrow Sunday it's a no movement day. So nobody can go up on the road at all on Sundays. The bloody hell. I can't be bothered, honestly. And the next thing now, I'm supposed to get to the restaurant at 2:30 and it's now what, 2:43. I was using the GPS and the GPS took me, I don't know which part it took me, but it was not at the correct place. So yeah, I'm on my way now. So I'll be there in 2 minutes guys. Stink face. What's going on? So I'm just leaving the restaurant. I didn't even tell you guys who I was with. So I had a lunch date or slash dinner. I don't know what I would call it, because our curfew is at 6 o'clock and it's almost 6 o'clock. It's 5:30 now. So yeah, but Tanya, big up to you, girl, for inviting me out. So she also has a YouTube channel, so you guys can check her out. So yeah, so let me tell you guys something. Gypsy house, I have to big them up. I have to big them up because number one, the price of the food. Like legit, the price of the food was under $3,000. Well, it was under $2,500. What am I talking about? Like, listen, I had, okay, first off, they had a special running of $2,400, exclusive of tax, of course. If I ordered a special, and how that special comes is 3 categories, and you had to choose one from each category. right? So my first appetizer, well, my first category was appetizer, and I chose a pork belly, and that came in a slider. So it's basically a barbecue pork belly with fries, with a serving of fries. And for my second option, I had the Cuban rice bowl, and then for the drink I just had pineapple juice. So all of that, guys, was $2,400. Like, wow, that's like, kudos to them, first of all. So to the taste of the food, I really enjoyed the pork belly. Like, manalai, that slider, guys, it's on the level as KFC's, you know. But not gonna lie, like, I really enjoy it. It was so tasty. The sauce that they use, that one is A out of A for me. Now for the rice, the Cuban rice bowl, I enjoyed that as well. It wasn't bad, but it wasn't really, how should I put it, it was okay, basically. Seeing that I had the barbecue slider, and it just gave me that, you know, that say yes, something, the next meal that I'm about to have, it will be up to this as well. But it didn't, but however, it was still tasty. Pretty much, it wasn't bad at all. So I really enjoyed the meal overall. The place was nice, the place was clean. Customer service girl, the customer service was good as well, so kudos to y'all. So in general, I really had a good time, and it's a nice chill out spot for friends, couple, whatever it is, guys. It's really reasonable as well. Like, me putting it out there, if you want if you're on a budget, you need to go on a diet, or you want to treat yourself on a budget, this is the place to go. Like, I really enjoy it. So big up to Gypsy House. And the most important thing, guys, the most important thing, I got a discount. I got a vlogger's discount. Like, I've never heard that before. Like, when the waitress told us that we'll get a discount seeing that we're vlogging or whatever, I'm like, no, this nice, that place is nice, and this place will definitely get back my money. And it's not because of the discount only, the food in general was so nice. Like, I really enjoyed it, but serving was plenty as well. So thank you guys at Gypsy House, and thank you for the discount, and again to Tanya for inviting me out and linking me to that place, because I'm gonna find a new spot for chill. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you guys enjoyed the little clippings that I did. I did not really do much talking, and you know, that was intentional. I just wanted to show you guys the place and the food, and then after I would have given a review. So thank you guys again, and subscribe and continue to support me. Comment below, like this video. Thank you again, guys, for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.